Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a snapshot of what the Drawing Cool Stuff module on the Distance Learning Hub has to offer and whether this might be of interest to you. This is a course that can be completed in up to a year and can vary based on the Duke of Edinburgh award level that you're currently working on. When you look inside the introduction section, you learn a bit of background into how working on this course can help you achieve your skill section, no matter what award level you are currently working on. And then at the bottom of this section, you see the process of what is expected of you to do once you have enrolled in this course. Over the first 4 weeks of working on this course, please look at Chapter 1, the basics, that is included in the instruction guide that we have provided for you. It is important that you do all of these tasks to improve your basic drawing skills, which will be more fun for you. In Chapter 2, 3, 4 and 5, you have the choice of learning how to draw human heads, icebergs, Halloween characters, and Christmas decorations. And as before, if you want to go further than these 4 chapters, go ahead and immerse yourself in drawing. Now you have got to the stage where you're just about to start Chapter 6, where you're going to learn how to draw the really cool stuff. Similar to the other chapters that you have already worked on, you have a free choice of what you would like to focus on. I hope you have enjoyed watching and listening to this taster, and that you have been inspired to start drawing cool stuff today.